You have a goal that feels completely impossible. Everyone around you doubts it. Maybe you doubt it too.
Here is why most impossible goals stay impossible. People look at where they are and where they want to be, and they see only one thing: the gap. The enormous distance between point A and point B. And that gap triggers 3 mental blocks. It feels too big to start. You do not know exactly how to do it. And the fear of failing publicly freezes you completely. So you do nothing. The goal stays a dream. But here is what successful people discovered. You do not need to see the whole bridge. You only need to see the next step. The system has 3 steps. Step 1. Reverse engineer the goal. Start from the end and work backward. If your goal is to run a marathon in 90 days, work backward. Week 12, full marathon. Week 10, 20 kilometers. Week 8, 15 kilometers. Week 1, run 3 kilometers without stopping. Suddenly, the impossible goal becomes a 90-day plan. Step 2. The 1% daily rule. You do not need to be great immediately. You need to be 1% better every single day. Stop saying, "I am trying to achieve this goal." Start saying, "I am the person who achieves this." A runner runs even when tired. A writer writes even when uninspired. An achiever takes the next step even when scared. The identity comes first. The achievement follows. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. Raise the identity first. Here is what this system looks like in 90 days. Day 1, the goal feels impossible. You reverse engineer it anyway. Day 30, you hit your first milestone. You are 1% better than yesterday. Day 60, you are halfway there and the identity has shifted. You no longer question if you can do it. Day 90, the goal that felt impossible is done. This is not theory. Elon Musk reverse engineered rockets from the cost of materials. David Goggins used the 1% rule to go from 300 pounds to Navy SEAL. Every Olympic athlete shifted their identity before winning gold. The system works. Comment your impossible goal below. 1 sentence. What is the goal that feels impossible right now? I rate every single comment. Subscribe for a new video every week. See you there.